Somebody said to me the other day that they catch me referring to myself as we a lot, saying, you know, we fix it this way, or we'll fix it that way, or now we're going to look inside the sound hole. They said, you know, what, you got a mouse in your pocket? Is that what you say to we all the time? And I said, no. I said, my pocket's got a hole in it, and if there is something in there, it feels more like an anaconda. Woo-hoo-hoo. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back again, and you guessed it. If you got, you think we got another box in the mail, you are right. And it is a big box, and we'll get right into it right away. It's a guitar, is what it is. I had, man, that is one heavy box too. Had a guitar to come in. Let's see, this one and another one came in yesterday. The day before that, one came in. Already unpackaged it. But I'm commissioned to show you this guitar, so I figured I might as well show you the unboxing of it as well. So we'll get right into it. I think, I don't know whether I should cut it down this way. It's got flaps. Now I want to open the top of it up here. Let's do this. And see what we have inside. It's always fun to see what's inside the box, especially when you know it's a guitar. Right? At least I always thought so. Now let me do this in a way that I don't dox the owner. How you guys and gals been making it? Felt like my blade broke. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Yeah, I was thinking about I've been thinking about the people that's taking a monetary loss on YouTube. The ones with under, what is it, under 1,000 subs? Yeah, under 1,000 subs or under, and under 4,000 hours watch time. I think that's what it was. Well, this might, some of y'all may already know this, or maybe you'll know it by the time this video comes out. How many of y'all know Logan Paul? You know who Logan Paul is? Okay? I don't know if you know what happened to him a while back or not, but I recently found out YouTube took his monetization away. Wow, can you imagine that? If you know who Logan Paul is, then you know he's making millions from YouTube. And, well, he was. He's not now. I just learned today that they're taking him away, taking all of his monetary away. That would sting, man. He's got like, what is it, 15 million subs, I think, something like that. Yeah, I'm just completely ruining this box, I'm afraid. It kind of looks like a box inside of a box. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now here comes the fun part, all the packing. Well, there's not all that much in here. Get rid of here. Maybe I was wrong. Like that other box, man. Start pulling paper out of it. Good Lord, I didn't think I was ever going to get the paper pulled out of it. There's some pretty decent packing. So y'all, man. Maybe I can get it out of there now. Not destroying the box anymore. I don't know. Probably going to have to put it down on the floor and pour it out. Okay, let me pause the camera. I gotta pour it out of the box here and get it up here on the bench and I'll bring you back. Woo! Hold on. A front row seat. The guy's name and address is right there. I don't know if he wants me to show that part or not, so I'm going to keep it out of there till I talk with him again. And there goes a whole bunch of stuff on the floor. Alright, what do we got? What it is. I would guess, I already know what it is, it's from the pick guard. It's a Gibson. a Gibson. Rather old one, looks like, maybe. Possibly. You can see the headstock, I think. And I should get it out. Let me just get it out of the case, see if he's seen anything else. Yeah, we probably would need that. There's a saddle in there. Let's go ahead and get that stuff out here right now. And let me get the guitar out here and on the bench, and I'll bring you back and we'll have a very close look at a old beauty. Check this out, folks. This is a unique old guitar right here. It's a, show it to you like this, and then I'll bring the camera over here and give you a better look. It's a Gibson J40. I can't see it. I'm not under the right lights. Gibson J40. I doubt if it's got a date in there. I'll have to get my glasses to know for sure, but I don't think there's a date. I see Gibson Incorporated, Kalamazoo, Michigan, USA. Lordy, lordy, I hope this guitar's not as cursed as the Gibson J45 that I worked on. And this is almost identical to it. You guys remember that guitar? It was cursed, man. It even got dropped and busted on its way home. Again, in a different place. Anyways, check this out, man. This is a fairly old guitar. Like I say, I'm going to get the camera. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you, baby. Bring you over here. Show you a closer up shot of it. This is not an inspection video, but we are going to look it over. I'll make an inspection video and go, check everything in it. Inside, outside, and everywhere. That's not this video. Hold on, I'm coming to get you. I'll just come and get you like we did before. Hold on. Gibson J40. It looks like a rather old one. I noticed the fret's got a little bit of wear. Let me zoom in here, maybe you can see that. If the camera will cooperate. See that? They're not bad. That's the worst ones, those first three. First three frets. Let me get up here one more time, try to get the camera to work with us. See under the first and second strings? Come on, camera. Not bad, not really bad at all, but the rest of them look good, as you can see. And then you start seeing what's wrong with the guitar. All of a sudden you see what it needs. That's pretty bad right there. Check that out. Now that crack looks like, to me, it runs all the way up. I don't know, maybe that might be the end of it right there. Yeah, maybe not. I think I see it going right on up. Pickguard's kind of pulling that up. That's pretty bad. Yeah, there's a brace right there. It feels like the brace is still glued. Alright, we come on back, and what else do we find? Check that out. Now that crack, I can see where it looks like it comes all the way back here, but that might just be in the finish. The crack itself, I think, stopped right there at the bridge. And we'll get inside on the next inspection video. And that's not all. There's more problems. It's taking a hit right there. And that's a crack. Check out those cracks in that finish. Running this way. That happens a lot with Martin guitars. Pretty much any guitar that gets dried out and humidified, or dried out too fast. Show you a shot down inside. Look who's here. How you doing, baby? She's getting better, folks, I think. I'm trying to get you a shot down in there if I can. It's about as still as I can hold the camera. But there you have it. I'm in a really weird position there to show you that. Now, check the bridge out. It's a pinless bridge, okay? See where the strings go in? And then they come out there. The bridge sits on there like so. The strings go in the back of it and then come out and up over the saddle, which goes in that slot. I think yeah, that's right. I'm not a fan of these kind of bridges. I briefly mentioned to the owner that, you know, you might want to get a Martin style bridge and drill it and put pins in it, you know. These bridges are bad to snap. Right there where all that tension and pressure is, usually this whole top piece right here pops off. I'm surprised this one didn't. Well, maybe that's why the bridge came off, but that's got to be either put back on or a Martin style one. Whatever he wants to do, I'll do it. I just, you know, recommended the Martin style bridge with pins rather than these pinless bridges. I never was a fan of those. Ovation uses those, and they've been trouble, man, for years. Let me turn him over and we'll look at the back of it. Alright, here we are looking at the back of it now. It looks better than the front does. It's not as much damage or hurt. As you can see there, if the camera will focus. What's up with that camera? I need to take the lenses off and clean them. Anyways, that looks good. That may have a loose brace in there. Hold on, let me get a mirror. We're going to look inside briefly. Alright, looking down into the hole for camera. Well, man, I don't know what's up with this camera, but there. Looking down into the sound hole, see, into a mirror, back up at the top. And we're looking at this crack right here. Clear back to there. You can probably see light down there. See what I'm talking about? See that? That's the way you check if a crack is in the finish or if it's just in the wood. So get you a good light, shine it along the crack. And look inside the guitar in dark. And it needs to be darker than this. I bet you can see through this crack back here. That one. I bet you can see light through it. Anyways, hold on. Looking in this sound hole. Get my bearings here. There's the neck block right there. There's the mirror. And we're going to attempt to look at this crack, the other side of this crack that runs up through here. And then we'll try shining the light through it. And right there it is. See that brace I'm talking about? I hope you can see that, man. I can't see the lights reflecting up off of that light, reflecting up in my eyes, and I can't see. But right there is the crack, if you can see that. I think I'm doing there, yeah. I can see it, but the camera's sure not helping us any. Now, if I shine a light through here, you're going to see it. See that? That's all coming through that crack right there. Hold on, let me turn this light off. There. Now you're going to be able to see light coming through the crack. See, there we go. Oh yeah, check that out, man. It runs clear up beside the fretboard. Wow. All I'm doing right there was just shining the light going along here like that. Shining the light down in, letting you see the light through the crack inside. I mean, obviously that one is the wood, not just the finish, and this one too. But that's a good way to check, like it's this crack back here. I'm willing to bet something hit that. I'm willing to bet you could shine a light through that and look inside, and you're going to see light through it. So, hold on, let me gather my thoughts. Very dry, and that's probably what caused a lot of this cracking. I think the owner told me it'd been in storage for a long time. I think he told me that. I talked to so many of y'all, man, it's so hard to keep up with everything. But I think he said it had been in storage a long time, and that probably happened maybe while it was in storage. Anyway, it happened from being dry, and the guitar's still dry. I just got a little cup here, like a bowl, and I got a soaking wet rag. I mean, it is soaked, dripping wet. Putting it inside the cup. I'm going to put the whole cup way back here in the lower belt of the guitar. And I'm going to put 54% humidity in this room right now. No wait, yeah, 54%. That one says 49. It's newer and probably more accurate. So I'm going to put it inside the guitar with the water. And take this Damp It. This comes with a humidifying device called Damp It. Highly recommend those. If you're looking for a way to humidify your guitar, check Damp It's out. They work in mandolins and violins and everything else. You know, instruments with little F-holes or whatever. You can get them in there. Cover the hole with that. And I'm going to leave that for, I'm going to have to take these holes up because there is no holes, bridge pin holes. I'm going to leave that for at least 24 to 48 hours. These cracks, for the most part, will close up. Might even line back up with each other. You've seen how this one up by the fretboard extension wasn't even lined up with itself. And before we do anything to that, we've got to get the humidity up in it. Got to get it humidified before we can fix any of the cracks or do anything to it. Here's that bridge I was telling you about. You see, there's no bridge pins. It's got the strings go in the, here's where your saddle sits. Strings go in the back of it, right there. And they come out right there and up and over the saddle. And they usually split right there where the strings go in. This whole thing right here at the top of the whole bridge usually pops off of it. Ovations do that bad too. I've seen a lot of them do that. So if he wants to put a saddle or a bridge on there like a Martin style bridge, then we'll have to put it on, drill the holes. Actually, it'll have holes in the bridge already, but we'll have to drill through the guitar. And I don't know if you saw that bridge plate that's in there. It's not your normal bridge plate, so I have to make a decision there as to whether or not to put a normal bridge plate in there, or use that big hunky one that's already in there, or leave it there and put another bridge plate under that. We'll decide on all that when the time comes, I guess. I'm going to leave it for 24 to 48 hours, come back and check the humidity levels. And what did I say that was? That one says 49%. This one up here has got 56 on it now. I think I said 54. So talk to the owner, find out exactly what all to do. But the next video we'll do an inspection on this thing and really get in there. I'm going to. I might bring you along, show you too. Check all around the top, the sides, and the back, and all the braces. And start looking at these cracks, probably the first thing. Look to get them fixed before we even put the bridge back on it. So hope you come along with me on that trip, and we'll have some fun doing it along the way. I bet this thing sounds good, man. We'll tap it and check it for loose braces that way too. So cheers, thanks for watching, and watch for this old girl again. Gibson J40. Try to find out what year it is. Cheers, see you soon.